Good morning. So what do you got going on this morning?
We're hanging the sunburst for the Truliant sign here in Winston-Salem.
Is that going in front of the T on it?
It's actually going above the roof line.
Oh,
so it's going to be way up above the skyline of the parapet of the building.
And who are you?
Aaron from Hilight Services.
And you're from Florida, you said?
Yeah, we're out of Orlando, Florida.
Great job.
We hang high-rise signs and we do architectural lighting. Charlotte, downtown Charlotte. We've done 12 buildings in Charlotte.
Excellent.
So we've done a lot of the skyline for Charlotte, Miami, Tampa, Orlando, Houston.
What's your website?
You just go to Hilight.
Oh, is it?
Hilight Services.
Excellent.